Hello, Namaskar and a very good evening to all the viewers watching our sessions out there. This is Simran Singh and you are all watching this live interactive session of NCERT on eVidya channel number 6 to 12. Besides, we have so many different mediums through which you all can connect with us, and simultaneously you can also participate in our live interactive sessions by raising your queries, your questions in the comment section of NCERT official, or either by contacting us at this contact number flashing on your screens. So you all may kindly note it down. It is 8800440559, and the specific mail ID where you all can reach out to us is training.helpdesk@ciet.nic.in. So it's around 4 p.m. on your watch, and regularly from Monday to Fridays we have our special sessions from 4 till 5 p.m. So today we are going to discuss on the series on ET and ICT tools. So viewers, you must be willing to know what is the topic in this area under this series that we are going to discuss. It is our live interactive session on creating interactive worksheets using Worksheet Zone. So viewers, have you used Worksheet Zone? Do you know more about this application? So let us know in the comment section, and also if you have any doubts, any queries, please reach out to us. So providing us more insights into the conversation, we are joined by Ms. Rekha Chaudhary. Namaskar ma'am.
Namaskar ma'am.
Good evening, we welcome you.
Thank you so much ma'am. A very good evening to all the viewers.
We hope you are in good health.
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am is a TGT Science and serving at Kendriya Vidyalaya Vikas Puri, New Delhi. So viewers, without further ado, let's begin our conversation. So ma'am, what are we going to discuss today? Take us through.
Yes, sure ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank CIT and CRT for giving me this opportunity to present this wonderful ICT tool at this platform. Worksheet Zone is one of the best ICT tool for making or creating interactive worksheets that I have explored so far. So without wasting further time, let me begin my presentation first, and then I'll show the tutorial as well as this demo part. So Worksheet Zone, as we are moving towards the digital education or a hybrid learning, we can say that, in which from the physical classroom we are going to online now. So Worksheet Zone is one of the best tools that we can take the help from this. So it will widen your wisdom zone because it serves all you need more than just worksheets. So I'll show what all features Worksheet Zone have. So one of the best feature that Worksheet Zone we can browse thousands of worksheets. It is an education platform with incredible features to boost everyone learning. We have more than 1 lakh worksheets and tons of teaching materials in this platform. We can save, share, and more than that. All the study materials present on Worksheet Zone are printable, so we can take the printout of it, as well as free to save. We can share our favorite worksheets instantly to all the platforms and online classes such as Twitter, Pinterest, Google Classroom, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, Facebook, etc. We can create our own worksheets without wasting any time, conveniently with hundreds of ready-to-use templates accompanied by several easy-to-use modules, diversified elements, frames, backgrounds, and much more. I'll show all these things in my demo part as well. Not only creating worksheets, we can make our worksheets interactive as well. We can digitalize normal worksheets to interactive worksheets in just couple of steps. We can engage our students and make them active with exclusive types of interactive worksheets, connecting, selecting, word searching, and so many types of questions we can insert in our worksheets. So that's all from the presentation part, and now I'm going to the tutorial one. Okay, so here we have some tutorials. The first tutorial is about how to create a worksheet on Worksheet Zone, as Worksheet Zone is an all-in-one educational platform providing a range of quality worksheets as well as a series of easy to use tool sets to create worksheets. So here we can see, getting started, start creating a new worksheet. We can use a template also. We can create our worksheets with available modules. In available modules, we have an option of handwriting worksheets, addition worksheets, subtraction, multiplication, division, word search. We can also add some interactive elements in our worksheets while creating them. Not only this, we can upload our own files in our worksheets. It is very easy to insert our own files in the worksheets that we are creating on Worksheet Zone. We can insert and edit the text also in our worksheets. We can also choose the background according to the grade of the worksheet. So the background of our worksheet could be a color from the default background color or an image from the collection of trending backgrounds. We can save our worksheet very easily on this platform. Not only this, we can also take a printout of the worksheet that we have created using this platform. So next one is to save our worksheet in our collection. We can also have a collection for this. Now the next tutorial is how to make the interactive worksheet. The first tutorial tells us that how we can create a simple worksheet, but how to make them interactive so that the students can do it online as well. So let's see what are the features for making the interactive worksheets. We can open the worksheet maker or digitalizer. We can upload our own PDF file or images to create the online interactive worksheet. We can choose the interactive modules as well. So Worksheet Zone toolsets have been offering 7 main interactive modules to make our interactive worksheet. These modules are input, where we can enter the text as an answer, match the following, drag and drop, select the answer, drop down menu, checkbox and word search. Here you can see in the tutorial, in the tools tutorial, all these are available. So if we want to make an input, so choose the input button and on the taskbar mark the blanks where the answer would be filled in, or click the auto button to automatically detect the blanks. Type in the keys for each blank and hit the enter. These tutorials are also available in the form of videos as well. So who wants to learn from these tutorials, it will be very easy for them. So matching, drag and drop, drop down, select, checkbox, word search. All these features are available in Worksheet Zone to make interactive worksheets. So let's start with the demo part now. Okay, we can start with Google search engine. You can use any search engine for this. I am going to type here Worksheet Zone, and here you can see online exercise free live worksheets. So here we have Worksheet Zone. This is the main home page for Worksheet Zone. For using the Worksheet Zone, we have to sign in. Log in. We can log in or sign up with our existing Google account. And now check your mailbox and click on the provided link to verify your account. Once we verify our account, it will be very easy for all of us to use Worksheet Zone. So now I am going to take this. Here I am having one account in Worksheet Zone, and this is the main home page for my account. Okay, now what options I have in my Worksheet Zone? Here you can see by grade I can make the filter. For example, if I want to choose the worksheet for class 1 or grade 1 only, I can choose this one. So it will show me all the worksheets that are uploaded on the worksheet zone, and I can use it as it is for my students, or I can make some additions or deletions in these worksheets and I can assign them to my students. So we will do this one by one. Okay, so all, here you can see 16,194 worksheets are available. So suppose I want to assign this worksheet to my students. I just clicked on this and here you can see the option of name and or some addition questions are there. Here you can see two options, download file PDF so that I can take it the printout and it can save to my collection. Once I clicked on download file PDF, it will ask you, I'm a teacher, continue, and here you can see a PDF is downloaded now, and now I can take printout of this worksheet. So without making a new worksheet, I can select already uploaded worksheets on this platform and I can use them offline as well. Okay, so going back, let me choose some other worksheets, single digit addition. Okay, the next option is save to my collection. Once I clicked on it, it will ask you all collection. Let me make a new collection for class 1 and maths and create this collection, and now a folder is formed with the name of class 1 and this worksheet is saved in this folder. Save. Okay, the next one is, now I can see this in my profile as well. My profile, and here you can see my worksheets. Okay, so going back now. Next one is how to share it. As I told you earlier also, a number of platforms are available here through which I can share this worksheet with my students as well as other teachers. So Pinterest, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook, Microsoft Teams, save to my classroom, copy the worksheet link and embed to your website. So I can use all these options to share this worksheet with my students as well as my colleagues. Play now so that I can see how the students will attempt this. So here you can see I can enter the answer and submit, and it will show me my marks as well. Okay, no, I don't want download. Here you can see download icon again. Try again option for students and customize icon is there. If I want to make some changes in the pre-uploaded sheets, worksheets available on this platform, I can do also. Okay, let me go back and customize option. Okay, here you can see the customize option available here where the same worksheet is available, and now I can do some changes as well. Suppose I want to delete some questions, I want to delete add some other questions as well. I want to change some digits in this worksheet, so I can do this. Edit worksheet option is there, module is addition, and now I am going to modules, addition, and I am going to add one more page in this worksheet, page 2, addition option, and here you can see some more questions are available now in this worksheet. Just put your cursor on the blue lines and you can change the size of the font, and now I can save it. So I edited the previous one worksheet name for class 1, description, topic is maths, and save it. So here I have shown you that how we can use already uploaded worksheets. Now we are going to see how we can create our own worksheets. Okay, let me go back to the main home page. Two options are available here, create worksheets and make interactive worksheets. Let's start with the create worksheets first. Tutorial, as we have seen this, video tutorials are also available, and get started. Okay, here you can see the page for creating the worksheets. This one is the title. So, GK will be the title for my worksheet. Next one is the size of the blank page on which I am going to create my worksheet. Here you can see some options are available. Choose a template on your left or upload your own PDF or images to start. So suppose if you are having some images, you want to upload the same on your worksheet, you can do that also. If you have any PDF that you want to make interactive worksheet, you can do that also, or you can choose a template provided by the worksheet zone. So let me show you some templates here. So here you can see trending templates for you, and you can also search them. Coloring pages, or then addition. So many templates are available, you can use them. Okay, let me choose this one. So this one is fruits addition, where the facility of name and date is available. Add the fruits, connect each set to the correct answer. So it is type of match the following. Now what I am going to do this, modules, handwriting option is available. I will show them also. Now I am going to make it interactive as a match the following type. Make it interactive. The same one is available. Going to the match one. So here you can see it is showing me a small tutorial where we have to define the matched region, set the corresponding connectors together. So let's see matching. So this one, the first one matching one, and how it will be matched to the 4, matching 2. So connector 1, join list. The next one is this one, matching 3. Okay, let me make this matching 2. So then I will make connectors. This one is matching 2, this one is matching 3. So we will match these parts to the connector ones. Okay. Now I am going to make connectors. The first one, connector 1. This one is connector 2. And connector 3. Okay. Now in this worksheet I have prepared 3 questions only. So in this way you can create your own worksheets using the templates given by them. Not only this, we have drag and drop options, drop down, check box, select in the MCQ type, and input where the students can type their answers as well. Let's see some other one. Create worksheet, get started, and now I am going to make it. Okay, add one more page, edit worksheet. Let me choose some page number 2, and now coloring pages. So students can do this also, and you can take printout of this worksheet also, so that students can real color in these pages. Other options are color by number, maths worksheets, fish, books, reading, or you can just search it. For example, I am going to type here digestion. So let me see if there is any sheet available with the digestion. Okay, it is not available, no issue. Multiplication. Okay, some worksheets are available here with the already pre-templates, and we can use them. Here you can see one of the sheet, and now I am going to use it, make interactive. Okay, complete as many as the questions you can in 5 minutes. Now I am going to make it input, where students can type the answer. Just make a small box with the mouse, and answer is 35. So it will be auto graded now. Here you can see one more question. So this is 12. And now you can save it. If you want to see a preview, you can do that also. Let me show you preview, and students will, this one, as I have told you earlier, we can do this, and so it will be interactive now. And in the next part, mental arithmetic, students will type their answer. Submit. And here you can see the students will automatically see their answers after the submission instantly. Okay, going back. Now going back to the create worksheet, get started, and we will see some other features also. I am going to make one more worksheet here. Edit worksheet. Modules. Here you can see 7 modules are available to create your own worksheet. Handwriting. For small kids, if you want to make handwriting worksheets where students can trace the alphabets, the sentence, words as well, so that they can improve their handwriting, you can easily create tracing worksheets line by line. How you will do this? Let me show you. Add one more page where I am going to make it now handwriting worksheet. Okay, here you can see a blank page coming to handwriting, and here you can see the tracing part. Number of lines, I want to make it 10, and alphabets, it's A with a gap, I can make it B just to trace these alphabets, C. So in this way you can create tracing worksheets, handwriting worksheets within a few minutes. Next is addition worksheets. If you want to create some addition worksheets here, just go to addition part. Some questions are available. Change the size. Okay, now if you want to make it like this, you can do this also, horizontal, vertical, then number of digits. If you want to make it 3 digits, 4 digits, you can do this also with toggle. Okay, let's make it 3. Then regrouping, hundreds column, tens column, and ones column. We can regroup them. And number of problems, you want how many number of problems should be there. So right now it is 12. If you want to increase the number of questions, so it will get increase. Okay. And if you want to scramble the questions, if you don't like the questions, if you want to scramble it, it will be happen like this. Just single click and questions will be changed. Okay. And in this way you can save it. and you can share it with your students through a number of mediums like grade 4, topic is maths, and save. Okay, now here you can see you can download the file as a PDF, and so many options are there for sharing your sheets. Let me create a new worksheet now using some other modules or elements. Modules. Next is subtraction. In the same way of addition, we can also insert subtraction questions in the way of orientation horizontal or vertical, number of digits, regrouping, and number of problems, and scramble option is again available here. In the multiplication option, here you can see in multiplication we have again orientation, number of digits, regrouping, number of problems, division also. Okay, let me go back. Just division. Okay, here you can see some division questions. Orientation will be like this, number of digits. Some advanced options are also available where you can choose the minimum, maximum, minimum and maximum for the divisor, and number of problems with the scramble option. Now we have an option of word search. So in the word search, okay, let me go back, only the word search. Here you can see a word search type of question will be available, and type or paste your list of words here. Suppose a cat, dog, so we can identify some animals, some pet animals. Number of letters down, so we can increase or decrease them. Numbers of letters across. Show the answer. If you want to see them, show the answer in the grid. It will be like this. So if you want to make it scramble, you can also do this. So in this way we can also create a worksheet having a word search and crossword as well. So let me, here undo and redo option is available. Okay, I am going to make it crossword. Here you can see some crossword option where you can hit the correct answer, total words, letter hints and scramble option. So all these modules are available in Worksheet Zone. Now some elements. While you are creating your worksheet, some element options are there. You can insert these elements in your worksheet. Suppose you are making a worksheet for Earth Day, so you can put this one in your worksheet like this. Just click on the element and you can drag and drop on your worksheet. You can also choose some animals, some other options to make it look good. Okay, shapes. If you are creating a worksheet for your students and if you want to insert some shapes in your worksheets, you can do this also. Just drag and drop a particular shape. Now the next option and very important option is the upload. If you want to upload some other images or PDF in this worksheet, you can do that also. If this the file is in your system, then you can upload the file in your worksheet. How it is possible? Let me add a page so that I can show you. I am going to increase the size, upload, and here you can see if you want to upload an item or a page, file upload, and you can choose an image and it will be uploaded here, and you can drag and drop on your worksheet. And if you want to upload a PDF, you can do that also, like this one. Okay, see, here I have uploaded the PDF as well as an image, and this PDF was downloaded by me using the worksheet zone only. Okay, next is the text. If you want to insert a heading or a subheading, whatever you want to add in your worksheet, you can do that also. So you can type some instructions, the title, the name, and class as well. Frames. If you want to give some frames to your worksheets that you are creating using the worksheet zone. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, so you can see how we can create various frames in our worksheets using worksheet zone. So it is a zone of creating so many types of worksheets. That's the name called worksheet zone. And the backgrounds as well. Here default background color, if you like this, and some trending background. So in this way you can make colorful worksheets for your students, download them, print out them. Okay. Now this is the part where we can create the worksheets, and now we will see how to make them interactive. Okay, in the part of interactive worksheets, we have several options: the input, select, checkbox, drop down, drag, drop, matching, and word search. Let me show them all one by one. Here I am having, let me add one more page in my worksheet first. Okay, there is one more option, auto digitalizer, where whenever you have some blanks in your worksheets, it will auto digitalize it. So there is no need to get it digitalized by you. It will auto digitalize by. Okay, let me edit and add one more page so that I can create, let me upload an image of the same worksheet, single digit edition. And now I will make it interactive. Okay, now make interactive. First option is input, where the students will type the answer. Just make a small box here and you can type the correct answer. Again, a small box, type the correct answer. Auto graded is done in this way. Make a small box, 8. So let me type some answers so that I can show you how it will work for a student. Okay, now I can see the preview of this worksheet. Last page here. Whenever student will see this, he or she will try to answer, type the answer 6, 4, and in this way, see, a simple worksheet will get digitalized and it is interactive now. So students can give the answers online. It was a simple page. Okay, going back. Submit. Here I can see the answer. I can try it again and going back to make it interactive to show you the other type of interactivity. Okay, next is select. Suppose if I am having some MCQs in my worksheet, so I can do that also to select the right answer and give it to my students. How it will happen? Going back to edit worksheet, let me add some questions so that, okay, text. I'm going to make it like this, upload image or file, and let me choose another this one again, or let me choose the templates one for MCQ, so that I can show you how I can make it interactive in MCQ version. Objective, let me see if it is available. Okay, this is the counting game again. So here students will type the answer. Let's copy the triangle object. These all are available in this different forms. Okay, no issue, we will create the one. Going it make interactive, and I'll just show you how to make a simple worksheet interactive using the select option. Suppose I'm choosing this one is the select, and if it is correct answer, then I can make it correct or incorrect. This one is correct for suppose it is the first option the student have to choose. This one is the second option, and this is incorrect. The next option is correct. So in this way you have to just make a simple box around an option, and you have to choose it, is it correct or not incorrect. Next one is check box, where the students will choose the correct answer. Drop down, the type in the answers, enter and choose the correct for the right answers from the list. Suppose if it is 3, then choose the answer 3. Okay, let me show you. Drop down, okay, or this one. Just make a box near the question and drop down. So this one, then drag and drop will work like this. Drag one and drop one. You have to choose where to drag and how to drag and where to drag and drop it. Here you can see the drop one, and match the following. Word search available is here. You can choose this one, and rows, columns. Edit worksheet. I'm going to add one more page. I'm going to make it a word search. Okay, and now going to make it interactive. Word search, I'm going to choose this one. And now it will ask me how many rows and what type of words I want to create in this worksheet. So it is really very easy to edit the worksheets and make them interactive using the worksheet zone. So many options are available in the worksheet zone. You have to just use the templates, or if you want to use the pre-made worksheets, you can search them also. Like I'm going to type a keyword here, nutrition, and you can see so many worksheets are available on the topic nutrition. You can also choose the worksheets or filter the worksheets by subjects as well. Handwriting, English language and arts. So you can choose any type of worksheet according to your subject. Here you can see an icon to see my profile and delete my favorite history. If I am going to make it view my profile, here you will see all the worksheets that were created by me or shared by me. Here you can see the folder of class 1, my drafts, my downloads and my played worksheets. So I am going to show you my worksheets that I have created and that I have shared with my class as it is. There will be a folder for class 1. Okay, I am going back now to the main page, and here you can see when I'm going to browse the free printable worksheets for all grades, here you can see all interactive and collection. Some sheets may not have interactive elements. If you want to have only interactive worksheets, you can choose the interactive ones also. And if you want to select the worksheets of all the types, you can have all the one. Okay, here you can see some interactive worksheets. Let me choose it for grade 8 and for science. In the science, some subcategories are there. Biology. Okay, now I'm going to early childhood and I'm not going to choose the science now. So in the early childhood, we have so many worksheets that we can give to our students for the tiny toads, living and non-living things, coins, drag and drop. Let me show you a drag and drop exercise. Play now. And here you can see drag and drop, how we will drag it and how we will drop it, like this one, 3. So this is one is the interactive worksheets. And now you can submit. And students will see the answers and the marks instantly. The green one is showing, okay, I don't want to see it more. Okay, the green one is showing the right answers and the red boxes are showing the wrong answers. So students will get the immediate feedback using the worksheet zone. Going back, if the student wants to try it again, he or she can. So it will give a number of attempts. So here I am going to this one. See, whenever you are going to a worksheet, it will show a small icon. Is it interactive or not? So this hand icon or a finger icon, we can say that it is showing that it is interactive. And if it is not interactive, then it will be showing a simple one. Let me show you some simple. Where no interactive element is available, students will download this and you will get printout of this and you can distribute to your students. So all the hand icons are available, all these sheets are interactive ones. Okay, adding with pictures. Let me show this one. So we can filter it or we can just make it like a search. For example, I want to search a worksheet on the verbs, an English term. So whatever we have for verbs, here you can see some worksheets and we can share it as it is. Say I'm going to make it like save to my classroom. Where is my classroom? It will directly go to my Google Classroom. So I can share it as it is with my students available in Google Classroom. Then Microsoft Teams, then it will go directly to the Microsoft Teams platform and I can share it with my students. And then Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook options are available. I can copy the link of this worksheet directly from this platform and I can share it further on. And if I am having any website, I can embed in my website also. It will show a language, topic, age, grade, and I can save it to my collection as well. So I am having a folder of class 1, just save it. And now here you can see save to your collection class 1 and see it now. Let me see this worksheet in my collection. Here I am having class 1 folder and this worksheet is available. So I can use it later on and I can make additions or deletion anytime. Just click on the customize icon and it will take you to the page of additions or deletions or editing. So you can edit the worksheet, you can add pages and you can make it interactive. So Worksheet Zone is all about this, how to create the worksheets and how to make interactive worksheets.
So ma'am, those were some essential details shared by you regarding Worksheet Zone. And just a small query from our viewers, does it contain any limitations that our viewers need to know?
No ma'am, the best part of Worksheet Zone is that it don't have any limit on the number of sheets that you are going to share with your students and colleagues. The number of sheets, there is no limitation on number of sheets that you are going to share it or creating it.
So is it easy? Like anyone can use it?
Yes ma'am, it is available on all the platforms. You can create the worksheets using the desktop or laptop only, but if you want to share the worksheets created by you or any other member, you can use it on your tablets or you can use your smartphones as well. So it is available for all the devices.
Of course. Thank you so much ma'am for being a part of this conversation, sharing your time and also sharing the precious information with all our viewers. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much ma'am. At last I would like to thank my principal sir for giving me permission to present this wonderful ICT tool at this platform. Thank you.
A word of thanks to all our viewers who have connected with us in this series on ET and ICT tools. So tomorrow also we are going to have a session regarding our series on ET and ICT tools. So stay connected with us, because next up we have our session of Sahyog, where we try to provide guidance for mental well-being and psychosocial support to all our students, our viewers watching our sessions out there. And before wrapping up this particular conversation, an important piece of information for all of you regarding the availability of NCERT textbooks. NCERT textbooks for the academic year 2023 to 2024 are available all across the country. The textbooks may be purchased directly from the sales counters of NCERT that are located at New Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata and Guwahati. The sales counters will be functional on all the weekdays, including gazetted holidays. That includes Saturdays, Sundays also, and the timings would be 9:30 am in the mornings till 6 pm in the evenings. And viewers, you may also place an order for the books through our website link that is flashing on your screens. It is ncertbooks.ncert.gov.in. and you will be able to receive all the books for which you have placed an order at your doorstep with no delivery charges. Or if you want the soft copy, that is the PDF version of NCERT textbooks, and you can always download it from NCERT, Diksha, ePathshala website and the mobile application. So in order to know more about the authorized vendors, please visit our website, that is ncert.nic.in. A word of thanks to all of you for connecting with us. Next up, we are right back with our session of Sahyog. So keep watching eVidya channels. Namaskar.